LitezAll squishable animal lanterns are cute, child-friendly, and easy to operate. Let's take a hands-on look. The lanterns are available in 4 styles: lion, narwhal, giraffe, and monkey. Operation is the same on each lantern. Press the black power button. The lantern turns on in the low white mode, and then tapping the lantern lightly on a flat surface cycles between low white, high white, color changing, and color changing with a 30-minute automatic shutoff, plus off. If the lantern won't be used for an extended period, it's best to press the power button to shut it off completely. The lanterns vary in size. The giraffe is 6.75 inches tall by 4 inches wide by 3.625 inches deep, weighing in at 4.64 ounces. The narwhal measures 4.5 inches tall by 5.5 inches wide by 5.25 inches deep and weighs 6.08 ounces. The lion measures 5.75 inches tall by 4.5 inches wide and 3.875 inches deep. It weighs 5.12 ounces. The monkey measures 5.75 inches tall by 4.75 inches wide by 3.5 inches deep and weighs 4.64 ounces. Low brightness mode is 18 lumens with a 4-hour runtime, and high brightness is 35 lumens with a 2-hour runtime for each of the animal models. Each lantern is battery powered by 3 AAA batteries. The battery compartment is accessible by removing the small Phillips screw on the battery compartment cover. For best performance, we recommend alkaline batteries. Remove the expired batteries and replace them with fresh ones, following the battery orientation instructions in each chamber. Replace the cover and tighten the cover screw. The LitezAll squishable lanterns are made of silicone, child-safe for children over 3 years of age, easy to operate, and make great night lights.